I feel like I'm gonna pass out, so I need, because I haven't really eaten anything all day, so let it not break. So it's over the 1 hour, as you can see it's after 7. And I am not even happy, and I only got the bedroom and bathroom done. I even have a video to do. I had to edit my video. I still got all this mess. I'm gonna show you. They're still playing, so I don't know if I should go ahead and clean it up. And I don't know, it's after 7, so I'm gonna just go ahead and clean. I know they're gonna mess it back up, but I'm gonna do the kitchen first. By the time I'm done with the kitchen, and the living room. By the time I'm done with the kitchen and the living room, I'll do the play area last, so that way they can just relax and watch TV after I give them their bath, and hopefully they don't make a mess again. So they probably gonna mess it back up, but I'm gonna show you what we are left with. This is crazy. It's now springtime, so the sun is still out, and thankfully they didn't dump everything out that, so yeah. So that's what I'm done for the kitchen. It's a disaster, and I got dishes to unload out the dishwasher, and I still got all this to do. And not to mention, I just, for the package, they're playing with the packages that I just got these packages from Temu. So I have all the Temu packages, all to do. That one is for my hubby, and then I ordered that over there. So it's a lot, and I don't know where to start. I'm gonna start with the most messiest part now. I'm start with the kitchen, then I'm gonna come over here, and let's see. And then I can't go to bed with the play here looking like that, so I'm gonna have to do it. So here. And on top of that, they're making, bless you, true word, they're making a whole lot of goddamn noise in my ears. So let's see. So let's see. Still got that to do. They done made a whole lot of more mess. A whole lot of, it's not dark, see? Dark. A whole lot more mess. A whole lot. So guys, it is 8:20 p.m. and remember I started at 5:30, 5:45 ish. That's when I started, and so far I've only gotten the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen completed. And now it's after 8. I still need to give them a bath. I need to take a bath, and I want to watch My Luxury Dream Home at 9 o'clock on HGTV. So I need to be done before 9 o'clock, and I have less than 30 minutes to do all that, get them bathed. You know what? I can take my shower because I need to work out. I can take my shower after I work out, but I'm going to pause and watch My Luxury Dream Home first. Then I am going to work out and then take my shower. But I still need to get this cleaned up, the living room sorted out, and then give them a bath, feed them, and then hopefully get to watch My Luxury Dream Home in time, and then work out and take my shower and go to bed. It's been a day. And I still no go to what bed. I had to so after watching HGTV the new episodes, I have to edit my video before tomorrow. That's what I have to do. Go to which bed? Oh Lord. So enough of me yapping, guys. Let me just go ahead and get this situation situated. One more 30 minutes on the clock. Stay right there, okay though.
Can you bake some more cookies?
So it's not 100 guys, but the living room is quite done. These packages I'm staying right here because I need to unbox those for a video, so I'm gonna leave them right here as a reminder that I need to get them done. That's also here's the unbox that for a video from my Amazon storefront. But this is it's not 100. I feel like I'm gonna pass out, so I need, because I haven't really eaten anything all day, so there's a snack break. So guys, it is 8:59, 1 minute to 9. I made it. So now I'm gonna close it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, give this video, leave me a comment, give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in my next one. As always guys, have a blessed week, blessed year, blessed month. Have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed year. Have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, blessed year, and a fabulous, blessed month and a fabulous year. Guys, I'm just so tired. Love you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Guys, look. I made it.